Hello everyone. Task Deadline Manager module will allow the user to set the deadline for the task automatically when the task is saved without deadlines. It helps the employee to have the deadline alarm. In this module, there is a grace period which will count in the deadline setup. After installing this module, now let's get into the projects. So from here under the configurations, you can see the projects. So this is one of the project which I have created. So here in this project, you can see the settings where you can see an allow auto deadline. After enabling this option, you can see a default task grace time. So here we can add a days right away here. Okay. So once you have add a days, we have an option to add and reason for the deadline update. So here under the configurations you can see the reasons. So here I have added some sample reasons for an update of deadline. So it will be the master for the reason. So once these configurations are done, now let's get into an project. So here in my task, let's create a task. Okay, so here let's add the task as task 3. Okay, for the construction one. Now let's add the project. So once you add the project, it will initiate the deadline as well as the deadline you can see in here, which is taken from the project. So here you can we have said that it will be in grace time will be the 2 days. So automatically it will take the deadline as 30. So here you can see this will be at 28, so it will take in 30 here. So if user needs to update something here okay, so here I added the updated date and also you can just add the reason here. Okay, due to leave. So here we can add the command. So due to leave we couldn't able to complete the task, so we need to change the deadline, so we can add the command like this. Now once it is done, let's modify it. Okay, so here once everything is done, you can see the deadline history right away here for each and every task. And also in the configuration part you can see the deadline history per each and every task. So in this way we can make use of this module to allow the user to set the deadline for the task automatically when the task is saved without any deadlines. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.